Hey, this is Brother Barnes, and we're naming and balancing compounds. What I want you to notice is that we're going to balance some non-metallic compounds. Actually, you could make a case that hydrogen is a metal by where it's positioned on the chart, but it's usually considered with the non-metals. So there's a different system for naming non-metallic compounds. We actually use prefixes like mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, stuff like that to define these compounds, which makes it a little bit more easy to name them. But we are attempting to put and make compounds that are neutral. So let's put these two hydrogens that are positive. I did not mean to do that. Here, let's put it here. I don't know why I'm having trouble with this, but I am. Let's put another one here. The whole idea with these cutouts is that you can match the positives and the negatives, make a neutral square or rectangle. So what would you name this? You might recognize it as H2O, which would be called what? Water, agua. That's correct, right? Watered down. I think that's fine to say that, but that really doesn't meet the need that I'm trying to meet. Dihydrogen monoxide. So write that down. Dihydrogen, di 2, mono 1, dihydrogen monoxide. How would you write the formula for that? I will have the cutouts and the answer key available below.